students, let me explain you the question. Here they have given one of the reaction, that is CdS solid, it is in equilibrium, Cd2 plus, that is aqueous, plus S sulfur 2 minus aqueous. This is the chemical reaction. We have to find out the molar solubility. So molar solubility and Asp value here it is given as 1.0 into 10 to the power of minus 28. Common ion. So if the common ion from CdBr2, so the value, the molarity value is 0.010 molar. So cadmium ion, this cadmium ion, the molarity value is 0.010 molar. So the reaction, so for cadmium Br2, that is reaction, it is CdBr2, it gives rise to Cd2 plus 2Br minus.